In today's episode, we take a closer look at Harry Melling, the British actor known for roles in Harry Potter and The Queen's Gambit. His career has shifted from child star to a versatile adult actor, leading many to ask about his personal life. So, is Harry Melling gay? Let's find out. Harry Melling is a respected actor who has successfully shed his early Harry Potter fame to take on diverse, complex roles on stage and screen. This has included significant parts in The Queen's Gambit and the recent queer romance film Pillion. Is Harry Melling gay? Harry Melling has never publicly confirmed his sexual orientation or used any specific label like gay. He keeps his personal and dating life private. While he recently played a lead character in the queer romance film Pillion and has spoken about the importance of authentic LGBTQ+ representation, these career choices do not confirm his personal sexuality. He has been a vocal ally for the community, but has not made any public statements about his own identity. In November 2025, Melling starred in the new queer romance film Pillion, where he plays a lead character, Colin, in a submissive, dominant BDSM relationship with another man. Played by Alexander Skarsgård, Melling has spoken to the media, including Pink News, about feeling very comfortable filming the intimate scenes and the importance of authentic queer representation that is not just sanitized or a polished romantic fantasy, but also explores kink culture. He is also an outspoken ally for the LGBTQ+ community, particularly regarding transgender rights. In 2023, he publicly stated, "Transgender women are women, and transgender men are men," refuting controversial comments made by Harry Potter author J.K. Rowling and emphasizing that everyone has the right to choose their identity. As of now, Harry Melling continues his busy acting career with several major projects underway, including the final season of Stranger Things and the Beetlejuice sequel. He remains a private individual regarding his relationships and orientation. Harry Melling has grown into a versatile actor, taking on important roles. The main thing is that he has not personally confirmed his sexuality to the public. He is a dedicated ally to the LGBTQ+ community and chooses roles that promote authentic representation. Thanks for watching the channel. If you want more episodes on iconic stars and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.